Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to another Sunday reset. First of all, I just want to start off by saying thank you guys for clicking on today's video and deciding to hang out with your girl, whether that's you cleaning along with me or just chilling out and watching me work, okay? I'm just glad that you guys decided to join me today. In today's video, we're going to be cleaning the bedroom. So we're going to give the bedroom a deep clean, and I like to do this quarterly. Every quarter or every time the season changes, I like to go ahead and deep clean my spaces. So if you guys are looking for some motivation to get your spaces clean and organized, then definitely stay tuned. When it comes to cleaning my whites, especially my bedding, I like to go in with some baking soda. Now, this is not the regular baking soda that you cook with. It is solely a cleaning baking soda. So I'm going to show you guys it if you want to screenshot it, but I also have it linked in the description box if you guys want to check it out. And it's really, really affordable. Okay, really affordable, like under €2 affordable. Then I'm going to add, well, I forgot to add my scent beads, but I also like to go in with my scent beads. And then I like to add some essential oil. I like to go in with the tea tree oil because if you did not know, tea tree oil is a very good disinfectant as well, and it also leaves a really fresh scent. So I add my tea tree oil to my container, and then I go right in with my detergent and I put that to my machine. Now inside the other side of the machine, I like to go in with some bleach. Yes, I am that girly that still uses bleach in my whites, and I don't think I will ever stop, okay? So I'm going in with a little bleach, and then I'm also going to add a caulk cleaner that helps keep my machine caulk free or breaks down that hard water. And that's really it. And I like to wash my whites on a more hotter temperature, but sometimes I would also use cold, but I prefer a hot temperature water for cleaning my white bedding. Back inside the bedroom, I did not show you guys me dusting the walls, but you guys know I like to go in and dust the walls. So I dust the walls and the television and above the door and everything, and I worked my way down to dusting the frames as well as the top of the bed and dusting off my nightstands. After that, I'm going to go in and clean it with a disinfectant, and y'all know how I love to rave about my Sagraton disinfectant. I love this. So I'm using some disinfectant this time because I really want to get rid of, any germs that may be lingering. So I'm just going to use that, and then to shine up my frames as well as my mirrors, I'm going to go in with the Pink Stuff window cleaner. When I dust the walls and all of the framing, the sideboards and everything, I like to use my Swiffer duster. That's where I don't have to bend down or get on my knees. But when it comes to deep cleaning, I would sometimes use a wet cloth and get on my knees. Yes, I know it's torture, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. To clean down my bench, I'm going in with my Sagriton and I'm using a towel and just giving it a nice good scrubbing, and this usually removes all of the dust or marks that may be on it. But as you guys can see, I have a little ring there because some tea fell on it because the girl was just chilling out and journaling while I was on it and spilled some tea. So I cannot remove that ring. So what I think I'm going to have to do is reupholster it. I don't know if I'm going to do that on camera with you guys or off camera, but I think I'm going to just reupholster it, maybe in a different color or the same, not too sure yet, but I think it's time. For a fabric bed, this bed is so heavy, but I refused to ask my husband for help. As you guys can see, there is a lot of dust accumulated under the bed, and this is why I love to move my bed every season, just to get rid of that. You don't want to be letting that linger too long and get really bad, and you're laying there and breathing it in as you sleep. It's just too much. So try moving your bed to get under it and just give it a nice refresh. You don't have to do it quarterly like I do. You can do it twice a year or once a year. Just make sure you're getting under there to remove those dust bunnies. I usually go in with my steam cleaner and just give my bed a good steam clean, and to that I would just add distilled water and some essential oils. But because it's not that time yet, it's not due for a next 2 months or so, I'm going to just go in with my Sagriton and that cloth I use to clean my bench and just give the entire bed frame a good wipe down to get rid of any dust. To ensure that we're getting an even wear on the bed, I like to go ahead and flip the mattress as well as the toppers, and I mean flip it to the side, put the foot to the header, the head to the foot. You just want to keep flipping it over just to make sure that you're getting an even wear all over the mattress, so you don't have any of those sinkholes. You know how those little indentations that don't want to go away form? Yeah, we want to avoid that. So I'm just going to do that to everything that's on top. Then to freshen it up while the sheets are still washing, we're just going to go ahead and spray it down with some Febreze and just let that air dry and let the mattress breathe while no sheets or covers are on it. To clean down my mirrors, you guys already know. Well, if you're an OG, you already know. We're going to use a window cleaner of whatever choice you choose and some newspaper. The newspaper just gives it a shine out of this world. You know, I'm going to keep preaching it to you guys. We're taking it back old school, just a little bit, just a little bit. So I like to go in and buff in a circular motion just to get rid of any hard scuffs or little stuff that may be on the mirror. Then I like to swipe it in one direction just to ensure that consistent shine or flow so we don't have any streaks. So that's how I like to clean my mirrors. Try it. You're just going to throw away the newspapers anyway, so just recycle, reuse. Just that's all we do, recycling and reusing. Then I'm going to go in with that towel and my Sagriton and just wipe down the rest of my closet just to make sure that it stays looking nice for as long as we have it. Because it has been so rainy, I opted out of cleaning the windows in this video, but when we have some consistent sunshine, that's going to be one of the first things I tackle, okay? Trust me. For my mop water, my combo never changes. It's usually hot boiling water with an essential oil. Today I'm using a sweet orange essential oil with my floor cleaner that's in a lemon scent. And I'm also going to add some vinegar. I didn't show you guys the vinegar for some weird reason. And then I'm just going to add my mop to it and we're just going to clean the floor. What the hot water does is it helps with disinfecting the floor as well as it dries really, really quickly when it's really hot. I don't know why, cannot tell you the science behind that, but it dries down so fast and it just smells so good. After removing the bedding from the dryer, we're just going to go ahead and make the bed. I did lose the final clips of me making the bed. The camera turned off and I did not realize it until everything was completed, but I did show you guys the overview of how the bedroom looked. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's refresh. If you did, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. Remember to hit that notification bell 2 times so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see y'all in the next one. So until then, y'all stay safe, and until next time, Auf Wiedersehen.